To open SIM card slot on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to prepare the SIM eject tool that we can find inside the box of this phone. Next, at the bottom of the phone, you should be able to find the SIM tray over here on the left side and this hole over here on the left side of the SIM tray. So what we need to do is simply insert the eject tool into this hole and then just push it in with a little bit of force. You don't have to use too much force. And there we go. Now once the SIM tray sticks out slightly, now we can use your fingers or fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray. There we go. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. So we have SIM 1, as you can see over here. Let me actually show you like this. So as you can see, we have SIM 1. And at the back, we have microSD slot. So in order to insert the SIM card, we need to simply match the shape of the slot. We can also see the image on the slot itself, how the card should look like. So we just put it in like this. Let's make sure that it is actually fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything like that. There we go. It finally got in. And like I said, make sure that it is fully in. And since we can also use the microSD card, let me show you how it looks like. So in this case, we need to insert it like this. And we should be able to push it in as well. Let's see if it fits actually. There we go. Is it in? It's not in yet. There we go. So it goes in pretty easily. You should hear slight clicks once you do that. And this is how we can insert our SIM card to the phone. Now, let's put it back into its place. Just push it in. And there we go. Make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out. If it doesn't want to fully go in, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly, as well as the micro SD card if you use one. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!